Hey, what's up guys? Here's another video of your Car Facts channel. On this episode, we're gonna talk about 3 bad signs that indicate that your engine is almost gone. The engine of your car is almost gone. So make sure you put attention to this video, because if you have one of these 3 signs, well, you gotta start saving money in order to buy another engine or repair the one that you have on your car. So here are the 3 signs, my friends, the 3 bad signs that indicates that your engine, the engine of your car, it's almost gone. Well, the first sign, my friends, it's very important to make sure that you put attention every time you start your car. When you start your car in the morning, and let me start this one. You start like that. And when you started, the first 5 seconds after you start the car, if you hear like a knocking noise, like a clack 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 clack, and then it goes away, that means that there is something going on inside of the engine. The parts inside of the engine, the internal parts, are damaged, are almost gone, and pretty soon your car or the engine of your car can sit up, or it won't turn over no more. Why? Because especially the rod bearings and the main bearings are going out. So make sure, first of all, make sure that you have the right level of engine oil. Check the engine oil level. If it's fine, then it means something wrong with the engine is going on. So the first 5 seconds you will hear like a click 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 or clack 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 noise. That means there's something wrong. So make sure take the car to the mechanic to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. Maybe it's just the oil, like I said. Maybe it needs a oil pump, or maybe it needs just a new oil change. So this is the first sign, my friends. Let's go to the second bad sign. The second bad sign that indicates that the engine of your car is almost gone. Okay, my friends, the second bad sign that indicates your engine, the engine of your car is almost gone, is this part right here. When you check the oil level, my friends, in the morning before you start the car, and you see the level of the oil is really low, now where it should be, which is on the second line here. If you find it around here or almost touching the oil stick, it means the engine is burning a lot of oil, it's missing a lot of oil, and that means that the engine is going out. So that's the second sign, my friends. Yeah, you can say, oh, maybe it just need oil, maybe this is an oil leak. Yeah, if you don't have an oil leak and you see really low oil level, and also you see like a white smoke or baby blue color smoke coming out from the pipe, that's also another sign that indicates the engine is burning a lot of oil, which is not normal. It's not normal. And the third sign is also here. You also will find it here at the engine, but on this case you have to remove one of the spark plugs. Let me show you one spark plug. Here's a spark plug. You have to remove one from the engine. You can ask somebody to remove one. This is a used spark plug, and this is the normal appearance of a spark plug working fine. If the engine is working fine, is working properly, you will find your spark plug like that, all clean, like kind of white. That means the engine is working fine. But if you find it, the third sign, my friends, is when you check your oil and you see the oil like like a white color, like a creamy color, like a cream, that means water is passing to the oil, or coolant is passing to the oil, and that's also another internal problem of the engine. The engine is almost going out, and you have to take it to the mechanic. That would be, my friends, the third bad signs that indicate the engine of your car is almost gone. Hope you like the video. I see you on the next one.